My name is Neil Ketia. Today solve the question is 1 to sum. Given an array of integer nums and a integer cadet written in that of the two numbers such that they added up to cadet. You may assume the data each input would have execute one solution and you may not use the same element space. Example 1. Input nums equal to 4 values 2, 7, 11 and 15. Cadet equals to 9. Num0 and num1 addition equals to 9. We return 0 and 1. Output is 0 and 1. Example 2 is input nums equals to 3 values 3, 2, 4. Cadet equals to 6. Output output is 1 and 2. Example 3 input nums equal to only for 2 values. Cadet equals to 6. Output only for 0 and 1. Code is for loop integer I equals to 0, I that less than num s dot size nums dot size bracket I plus plus second for loop integer j equals to I plus 1 j less than num dot size bracket j increment bracket if condition nums of I plus nums of j equals to cadet curly bracket return curly bracket I and j return curly brackets. Output is nums 2, 7, 11, 15, cadet 9s. Output 0 and 1. Case 2, value 3, 3, 2, 4. Cadet is 6, 1 and 2. Nums only for 2 values 3 and 3. Cadet is 6, 0 and 1.